All right, guys, so today we have, or what is this, KFX 80, right? This one, we already cleaned a bunch of stuff on it. All it needs is an air filter, so we'll see the final result here in a bit.
And the tires.
And the tires, and then on that one, we just figured out a way to save ourselves $150.
Well, we would have to do it. Going in?
Trying to. New tires in. We'll see how we can get this filled up.
Yeah! That's one, baby. Let's go.
Might be enough.
Try number 2.
Nope.
You gotta step on it.
Kick it.
Nope. We gotta. Come on. See.
Oh, that was close. Nah, you didn't. You only did one side, Johnny McJohnson.
It's fine. What? Come on.
Well, boys, we done did it with just raw holding weight on the tire. We got the new air filter in. Let's go.